Evolving and accessible technology allows you to provide advanced learning solutions and stream rich media content anytime, anywhere, on any device. Now you can access video information in the classroom, at your PC, on your tablet, on your phone, anywhere, anytime. Rich media learning solutions are now easily infused at any level of employee development. And while the story, our training, is still the innovative and creative message, CoastalFlix allows you to make learning adaptable. The future of the world we live in will be powered by content, technology, and art. With CoastalFlix streaming, you can contribute to learning and development with high impact.